Hi guys, very good evening. This is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu. Hope you guys doing good. And uh, today the stock has given a very good high amount, and almost all my traders got a good profit, and I'm very happy for that. And this is my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do unsubscribe and hit the bell icon for more instant updates. And let's get back to the topic. So today I'm going to talk about four scripts which is entirely different sectors, so you're going to see for that. And Steel Authority of India Limited, it's a government based company, and the market is in clear. See, the market is in a clear trend line, and kind of like a resistance. Market touches the resistance. If it breaks, probably we can expect like another 2 to 3 points and stuff. And if it comes down, this trend line acts as a support, and probably it might come down and touches here and goes probably 8 coming days, and we have to wait for that. And probably if it breaks, we can expect at least 36, and upcoming days we can expect in case 40 also, but you have to wait because patience is very, very important in trading. Yeah. And Magendra, today the stock has given very good all-time high, and stock has given a top gainers, and the market is in clear a channel side. And see, this is a channel almost like probably like 3.5 to 4 months. The market is in channel. We can expect another 12 to 15 points as a key resistance, and probably we can expect another couple of points as a key resistance. So once 585 crosses, it's a strong buy trend, and we have to wait for it. And we can go for, in case if the market comes down, probably you can go for and buy some shares in a dip side. Yeah, a dip mode based. Yeah. SRF, a very good stock, but it's iron stock. The market almost like last 1 month, the market is in sideways. The market is but clear. It shows there's a kind of indication that if it breaks, if another candle, if 1 or 2 days it breaks in the upside, probably breaks this box pattern, probably it's clear, it shows a clear buy trend, and we can expect another 400 points as next upcoming the targets, I would say. And but still the market is in box pattern, and see, the box is completely there, so we have to wait for another range bound market, or if in case we have to wait for range bound market, or if it breaks in the upside. Yeah. And Reliance, all-time high. So once a stock it's all-time high, probably it will go 5 to 7% apart from that. If it doesn't, probably from there we can expect a fall for profit booking stuff. Example, Ruchi Soy or IRCTC. These stocks are went for a very, very high side, and hits the upper circuit. Right now, the past 4 days, the Ruchi Soy hits the lower circuit. So the Reliance might be go for another 100 to 200 points in case if it goes upside. Otherwise, we can expect at least 300 points in upcoming, and the downside we can expect, but we have to wait. So wait for the patience. That's very important. Patience is very important in trading. So this is what information I just want to give for the Reliance side. Please subscribe my videos for more updates, and take care, and thank you. Thanks for watching. Yeah.